Welcome to the Investor Insight Show. I'm your host, Scott Dillingham. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what real estate expenses are tax deductible. Now, I am not an accountant, so please get your advice from the accountant, but I'm going to share with you some of the things that I've been able to write off. So maybe you can too. Again, speak to your professional accountant. So any type of repairs to the property, I've been able to write off. When I do renovations, I'm able to write them off as well. Usually not the same year. When you do a renovation, it's called capital cost allowance, and you have to take the total cost and they divide it by 5 years. So you get to claim 1/5 of that per year. So you get to claim that. There's also potentially depreciation. So you can lower the value of your property on paper to give you a tax refund. Now this has a double-edged sword, or can, right? Because as your property is lower, when you sell, your capital gains can be higher. So you do want to be careful. I've been able to write off my mortgage interest on this. I've been able to write off some gift cards and promotions that I gave to my tenants. You know, at Christmas time, I gave them gift cards and thank you cards and things like that. And I was able to write off those things. Utilities, if it comes to a property where you have to pay the utilities, I was able to write that off myself. There's a whole bunch of other things too. Potentially your legal fees to acquire the property, right? If you had to maybe break a mortgage to make it happen, you might be able to write off your mortgage penalty. So these are all things that you need to speak to an accountant for, but ask the professional if you can write off that expense, no matter what the expense is, and they will tell you, because the more that you can claim, the less taxes that you have to pay, which is ideal. And obviously the less taxes, the more you can grow and develop. So I hope you like today's Investor Insight. If you do, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And if you want more details on the topic, check below. There's an article which I'll have more details on the topic. There's a whole bunch of links for free investor tools and resources for you. Thank you.